Hey everyone, Saturday, June 19th was date night. We decided to go to the Hook and Ladder Pizza Company in Hollister, Missouri. A little hodgepodge of a few photos here and there we put together. Thought you would enjoy these. And you'll know that this particular restaurant is themed after fire departments. It's run by volunteers from the Taney County Fire District. And the owner is a captain for the Taney County Fire Department. I hope you guys enjoy and look forward to seeing you more. And there's a lot of nice things on here that you'll enjoy. And be sure to like, share, and subscribe below. As you'll see in some of my videos and snapshots from tonight, this is what you guys should be doing with your lovelies. It's going to be a wonderful evening. Town is packed. This is Hollister. This is what it looks like on a Saturday night around here. And this could be you. If you do not have that kind of income coming in to be able to afford to eat out, a business of your own is what you need. So we'll talk more about that later. Don't forget, I got Sunday morning drives with Brett, and you can see them all the time. I am up on my YouTube channel. Talk to you soon.